reviews best motorcycles for beginners. Honda CBR500R. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of motorcycles, specifically for those who are just starting out. We have a real gem to showcase, the Honda CBR500R. This versatile and beginner-friendly sport bike has been making waves in the motorcycle community, and we're here to break down why. Background and description. The Honda CBR500R is a lightweight and agile sport bike designed for urban commuting and weekend riding. It's powered by a 497 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that delivers a smooth and responsive performance, perfect for new riders. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the CBR500R is its affordability. As a smaller displacement motorcycle, it's a more budget-friendly option compared to larger bikes, making it a great choice for new riders or those on a tight budget. In terms of performance, the CBR500R offers a good balance of power and handling. Its 497 cubic centimeters engine provides ample power for city riding and highway cruising, while its lightweight design and agile handling make it easy to maneuver through traffic in tight corners. Design and aesthetics. The CBR500R has a modern and aggressive design, with sharp lines and a muscular stance. It's available in a variety of colors and graphics to suit different tastes. Target audience and relevance. The CBR500R is ideal for riders who are looking for a compact and affordable sport bike. Its lightweight design and agile handling make it perfect for navigating city traffic and winding roads. The bike's fuel efficiency also makes it a practical choice for daily commuting. Comparison to other beginner motorcycles. When compared to other popular beginner motorcycles, the Honda CBR500R stands out for its versatility and performance. Its larger displacement and more aggressive styling make it a great choice for riders who want a more exciting riding experience. Expert reviews. The CBR500R has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its powerful engine, sharp handling, and comfortable riding position. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The CBR500R is a fantastic choice for new riders. It's easy to ride, affordable, and a lot of fun." Conclusion. The Honda CBR500R is a well-rounded motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, performance, and affordability. Its compact size, lightweight design, and forgiving handling make it a perfect choice for new riders. So, if you're looking for a reliable and affordable starter motorcycle, the CBR500R is definitely worth considering.